Nobody likes to cook on hot days. For that, today we are going to make Tahini Miso Noodles, which is perfect for this summer. Add the noodles to a large pot and fully cover with boiled water and cook it for 8 to 9 minutes. Remove the noodles and cool it down aside. Let's crumble the tofu with the help of a fork. Now slice the cucumber into half. Let's make the dressing. Mix peanut butter, tahini, miso sauce, sesame oil, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, salt and mix well. Add little water if it is too thick. In a bowl, add crumbled tofu, soya sauce and mix. Add noodles, pour the dressing and top it up with cucumber and mix using a fork. Garnish with chili oil, parsley and serve chilled. Tahini Miso Noodles is ready. Time to taste it. Too good.